A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant ruling that reverberates across Europe, Malta's controversial Golden Passport scheme has been declared illegal by the European Union's Court of Justice. This decision comes after a legal challenge initiated by the European Commission, which argued that the program violated EU laws by allowing wealthy individuals to effectively purchase citizenship in exchange for substantial financial investments. The ruling, made public on Tuesday, emphasizes that the acquisition of EU citizenship cannot be treated as a mere commercial transaction. The scheme, launched in 2020, required foreign investors to make a one-time investment of at least £510,000, approximately €600,000, along with purchasing or renting property and making a charitable donation of £8,500, €10,000. The intent behind the program was to attract foreign investment to stimulate Malta's economy. However, the EU court's decision highlights the legal and ethical implications of such citizenship schemes, stating that they undermine the mutual trust that is fundamental among EU member states. The court's statement was clear: a member state cannot grant its nationality, and indeed European citizenship, in exchange for predetermined payments or investments. This ruling puts Malta in a position where it must either amend its citizenship laws to comply with EU regulations or face potential fines. The Maltese government has indicated its intention to respect the court's ruling and is currently reviewing the implications of this decision on existing citizenship regulations. Notably, those who have already acquired citizenship through the Golden Passport scheme will not be affected by this ruling, allowing them to retain their status. The European Commission had previously taken Malta to court in 2022, arguing that the sale of EU citizenship was detrimental to the integrity of the EU. The court's decision is binding and represents a significant shift in how EU member states can approach citizenship and nationality issues. Malta's government has maintained that it has the exclusive right to grant nationality, a stance it will need to reconsider in light of this ruling. The decision follows a broader trend within the EU, as several other countries, including Bulgaria and Cyprus, have also abolished their own Golden Passport schemes amid concerns about security, money laundering, and corruption. Transparency International, an anti-corruption watchdog, welcomed the ruling, stating that it would prevent corrupt individuals from using such schemes to gain access to EU citizenship. The implications of this ruling extend beyond Malta, as it sets a precedent for other EU nations that have similar citizenship by investment programs. As the EU continues to scrutinize these schemes, it raises questions about the future of investor citizenship across the continent. The ruling arrives at a time when discussions about immigration and citizenship are increasingly contentious in Europe, with former Prime Minister Joseph Muscat suggesting that the scheme could continue with modifications. The Maltese government faces pressure to align its practices with EU law while addressing the economic implications of losing such a lucrative program. The European Commission has expressed satisfaction with the court's decision, reinforcing its commitment to upholding the integrity of EU citizenship. The court's ruling is a reminder that citizenship is a privilege that should not be commodified, and it serves as a critical juncture in the ongoing debate over the ethics of citizenship by investment programs. As Malta moves forward, the focus will be on how it navigates the legal landscape while balancing the need for economic growth and adherence to EU principles. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.